welcome to my channel. I'm Jamie. Happy Monday. My kids, their principal says like, thank goodness it's Monday. Instead of TGIF, it's TGIM. I'm like, what the, you know that's not right. Anyway, that always makes me laugh. But today I received my Fab Fit Fun box and I wanted to step you guys through it. I know a lot of people do these unboxings, but I just figured I'm getting it and I'm excited about it. So maybe you are too, or just curious to see what other people get in their boxes. So if you're new to Fab Fit Fun, number one, how? I don't understand. How long have you not been on the internet? No. So Fab Fit Fun is a seasonal subscription box. It's $49.99, I believe, seasonally, and I get the annual membership, which allows, 4 boxes a year. That's what everybody gets if you order it, but getting it annually, I think you save a couple bucks and you get like first come, first serve on products. You also get your box delivered faster, and it's the same price everybody else pays, so might as well sign up like that, I guess. You're taking a risk. I mean, you don't know what you're gonna get, but I so far love this box, and even this one isn't the best, but you'll see that in a minute. But I've never felt like I didn't get my value for my $50. So anyway, you get your box. When you sign up, and I have a coupon code, I'll leave that down below for you guys. I think I've got like $15 off your first box, which is a pretty good deal. It's the best I've seen so far, so I'll leave that below. But when you get online, if you have it, you can configure, customize your box to what you want in it. So you get to pick through some of the products. And the interesting thing is, if you do have that annual membership, you get to pick, I think, like 5 items. If you just have the seasonal membership, I think you get to pick 3. So that is what it is. But here it comes with this nice little catalog, and the catalog tells you, what your options were for each different products, and it just kind of steps you through like the value and a little bit of notes. And then at the end, sometimes they have like prizes it looks like you could win, or they give you coupon codes for the manufacturers of the product so that you can get discounts on other things that they sell, which is always good. So let's just go through this. So I think there's 8 products in this box. The first one, you could choose through a whole different selection of products featured there. You can see there was a bag, there's a basket, there was a watch, there's some face oil. There was actually, this was pretty interesting, like a plant that you could do, or you can grow your own plant with this kit, which was actually sounded pretty cool. There's an umbrella, a phone sterilizer, some packing cubes, just a bunch of random lifestyle things. I think that's what's kind of cool about this box is it's not just makeup or skincare. It could be a lot of other things. So I ended up picking the skincare because I love skincare and it's always so expensive. So I got this Perricone MD Essential Glutathione. I have no idea what that is, but that's what it seems to say on it. And it's a rejuvenating moisturizer. Here it is right here. This value is actually $98 for this product, and it's just gonna be a typical moisturizer. I really don't wanna open it because there's always a ticking time clock on skincare as soon as you open it. So I really didn't want to open this and just kind of save it. But I'm sure that Perricone MD is a fantastic skincare line. It says it deeply moisturizes, visibly firms, lifts, and smooths skin appearance. So I believe them. They're pretty great with their skincare, and this was a $98 value. And I'm happy with that. There were so many different things to choose from, but that's the one that really caught my eye. Then we'll move into choice 2. You could have picked a lunchbox. That's awesome. No, I don't use a lunchbox. I eat at home. I work from home. So a brow kit. There was the Josie Maran pure argan oil, some slippers, a toning kit, and a to-do planning bundle, some MAC lipsticks, And that was it. So it was just a like, oh, I guess this is the toning bundle. It's actually like a workout thing. There's the MAC lipsticks. There's just a whole, you know, slew of different things that you could pick from. I ended up picking the Josie Maran Argan Oil. So this has been a product, you know, that's been around forever. A lot of people rave about it and love it. I think I've only had the light version of this before. I've never actually had the full-on version. And this was $49 value. And you can use this actually on your skin and your hair, however you want to use it. So I was really happy about that. It's a moisturizing oil. Let me smell it really quick. Does not smell. Doesn't smell. So I picked this and I'm happy about that purchase. Like I said, $49. So $100 value, $50 value. I paid $50 for the box and all. It just depends what these things, you know, what the value is for you. So then moving into the third section, you could have picked an eye cream. I guess I can show you guys some of this stuff. You could pick an eye cream, a bucket hat. That feels very 90s. It would be like, oh, what was that girl, Blossom? Blossom and her bucket hats. Okay, there's a ring, a pretty ring right here, but I don't wear many rings. I don't even wear my wedding ring that often. Then there are some coasters that were $35 and a hair mask. So here are the coasters and there's the hair mask. And I picked the hair mask. And I don't know, I use hair masks all the time. I figured it's something I could get good value out of. It smells like coconuts. I'm excited about that. And this is called the Gloss Modern Clean Luxury Hair Mask. And it's an antioxidant rich shea butter, restores softness and shine to your locks. And this is a $55 value. So right now I've got $200 worth of products in front of me. It just depends if you're, you know, really into them. So then those are the ones that everybody got to choose. So those 3 products. Then now you get into the annual members choices. And then I guess there's 2 more choices that you get to choose as an annual member. So I chose this. You could have got a makeup organizer or a facial cleaning gel or a deep sea cleansing bar, a hair scarf. I just see this stuff on here. I don't see that. Oh, this is a hair scarf right there. You could get enzyme peel or this. Nope, those were all of it. Oh, body cream. There's a body cream somewhere around here, right here. So I ended up choosing the bar soap. I don't know. I just thought this was interesting, different from anything else I own. And I'm always cleansing my body, so I decided to go with it. It's a $38 value. This is the Arno Laszlo Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar, and it's a deep clean and rejuvenate the skin with the therapeutic benefits of Dead Sea mud. So, sounds appealing. Smells like nature, dirt, not too dirty, but still dirty. It smells green, and I'm sure it will probably be pretty interesting. So more to come on that. I'll have to let you guys know what I think about these products. So then moving into pick 5, you could have gotten this Pure Cosmetics Iconic Glow Illuminating Face or body oil. I was tempted. I just never use those. There's a Market Tote you could have gotten, which just looks like a very holy bag that I would not use. Then you could get dental floss, which was pretty interesting. They've never given that option before. And it's some kind of special dental floss. You could get tweezers or you could get gel-lined socks. So all of those impressive selections, not really, those are not very good. I ended up going with the dental floss. Very strange, but it's some kind of like organic dental floss. I'm trying to put it together. I took it apart earlier. I actually used it. Comes in this little package right here, and there's 3 different dental flosses. Like I said, it's like some kind of special organic one. It's the cocoa floss, and there were 3 different aromas that came in there, and I started using it, and I thought it was okay. A little thicker than I like typically with dental floss, but I'm gonna use it. This is definitely gonna be used. I actually ordered dental floss last night because I ran out, so you know, it's meant to be. I can't help it. Okay, and that was like $28. $28 dental floss. You know how much the other ones I ordered last night were? $2. $2. Yeah, $10 dental floss. I'm gonna feel like very refreshed with that. So moving on, then now Fab Fit Fun picks the rest of your products. You could have got some hair clips, hand scrub, or some brightening oil, or a lip mask. Nope. It was just 3. Sorry, that's the next one. You could have got hair clips, hand scrub, or brightening oil, and I got the brightening oil. Ta-da! So it's by Marion is the name. Earth Harbor Marion brightening oil. It has blue tansy in it and spirulina. So it smells like clean oil. I think it's the blue tansy I smell. I've had some type of product like this in the past, and I didn't really love it, but maybe this one will be different. So this is it's supposed to be brighten and balance the skin, and this is worth $38. So 2 more products. You could either get some lip masks, cactus sipper cup, which was funny. That is a cactus sipper cup lip masks. Or you could have got a body wash. This right here, and I ended up with the lip masks. So it's called the Suns Out, Pouts Out lip masks, and there's 4 of them in here, and they're just kind of, they make your lips more soothing, nourished, kissable, and softened. I've never used a lip mask before, so that sounds fun. And those would have been valued at $16 for those. So then the last 2 items you could have gotten were these Stay Reusable Beauty Rounds or Nails Ink Nail Polish. And I ended up with the Beauty Rounds. So these are soft, like spongy beauty rounds used just to clean your face, and you get 3 of them, and this is awesome. These are like right up my alley. I will definitely put these to use. I constantly have these types of things in my shower, and I'm changing them out all the time, washing them. So these are just gonna go and add to the rotation. So I'm excited about that. So really, I mean, you could see this is probably at least like $300, I'm pushing $400 worth of value in the box, and I like it. I mean, not everything is like a home run for me. This is an okay box, but for $50 and getting that much value, I'm definitely gonna use a lot of these products. So I will get my use out of it, and I get to try some things I would have never tried. So I think it's pretty good. So I have nothing bad to say about it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you are interested in getting the box, like I said, I'll put my code down below, and you guys can use that to get a significant discount on the box. So I don't see why not. And like I said, it's such a good value for the price. So anyway, it's fun. It's like a little present to yourself every season. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch up with you later. Bye.